Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to work with forks repositories on GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you will need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So now after that you log into your account, you will need to fork a project. So basically you can just search for any project or any repository that you have just forked. You click on fork and then you will create a fork repository. After that you will need to go to your profile and basically you will need to click on your profile picture, your profile, and then it will take you to the overview of your profile. You go to repositories and here you will find your forked repository. You click on it, and after that you will be able to add commits or commits changes on this file. So basically you can just go here and start using the file. You can just work with the file, edit this file. You can using the git bash to commit the messages or to commit changes to your profile, I mean to your repository. And you can do other things because this is just a fork the repository that is used on your own profile. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.